Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. In today's video we're working here on the Ford Fiesta MK7 generation from 2008 to 2017. That whole car guys will be taken apart. The whole thing. So we have probably over 200 videos on this channel, Auto Repair guys, and World Mechanics as well, our second channel. So in today's video what we're going to do, we're going to show you how to remove or replace the climate control switch, this one right here. So if yours is not working, blower, fan, something like that, any of those switches, will show you how to remove that whole thing. Even if you don't have the climate control, you have manual climate controls, the one that you turn, it's still doable. I'll show you how, with some minor difference. So stay with us and let's start on it now. All the tools that we'll be using, they will be in the description of the video below, so make sure you check it out. That way if you need anything, you know how to find it quick. We'll try to list everything that we use. Next you need a panel removal tool. Okay, and right here you're going to pry a little bit, okay, to get this thing out, and then you need to pull a little bit towards the front, okay, like that. We need to do the same thing on this side. Okay, and on this side it's a little bit tighter. One of the sides will be always, okay, a little bit tighter, so let me just grab it quick. So again the same thing, and you need to go towards the back, okay, like that. You have to be careful not to break anything. Now with the plastic removal tool there is a clip here and one clip here. Now you have to be careful, sometimes they will fall off, so you have to hunt for them once you remove the panel. Okay, and you need to start working your way up there. There is two more clips. Now you need to disconnect the wires. Once I disconnect them, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay, so these wires guys, on the bottom side you have a thing that you press down. Okay, right here, press down and pull. So let me show you now where all the clips are. Okay, you can see right here you have two clips, two right here. Okay, ours two are missing right here, so those fell out, and two on top. Even without the middle ones you can still do it, but usually they'll be down there, and you can reach them by removing the shifter board right here. So next, for the climate control switches right here, what do we need to do? We need to get a 7mm socket, and we have a few screws that we will need to remove. Okay, so we have two right here on the bottom. So make sure that you don't drop them in the console under the dash. Okay, this is what the screw looks like. One is out. Now the second one coming out. And two on top. And those are a little bit harder to get to. Okay, let me grab it so we don't drop it. Same kind of screw again. And another one on the top left. So you have two on top, two on bottom. Okay, so now what you can go ahead, pull it out. Okay, and we'll need to disconnect the wires now. So those wires are a little bit different than most of the wires that you can think of. Okay, now right here there is one thing that you need to push in, and then you need to pry that thing and it will kick the wires out. The same procedure on this side. There is a tool that you push in, okay, and then you disconnect the wires and pull them out. And this is the switch, the climate control switch right here. So this is the tool that I'm talking about. You need to press in and then you need to turn the thing. So if you need any numbers, ours is a 2015, yours might be different, so always double check before you order parts. That's what it looks like. So you put everything together in reverse order, guys. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.